Let's move this forward. Unilever Kenya plans to phase out non-recyclable plastic packaging in its system by 2023 in a business sustainability drive.
Now, Unilever Kenya Managing Director Ochieng says the consumer goods conglomerate plans to make its packaging reusable, recyclable or compostable by 2025.
This comes at a time when a storm is raging in the United Kingdom after a report by Greenpeace International accused Unilever of complicity in the plastic pollution crisis.
Greenpeace claims Unilever is producing over 3,500 plastic packaging sachets per second.
Official statistics show that Kenyans consume approximately 0.03 kilograms of plastic daily through items such as plastic bottles, containers and single-use straws. This cumulative consumption contributes to an average of 500,000 to 1.3 million tons of plastic annually. However, only 8% of this plastic waste is currently being recycled.
There's value in waste. So plastic, which previously was seen as something to throw away, actually has value and people can make money out of it. And through the model that we have, Mr. Green, we've been able to demonstrate that. Number two, we've also been able to demonstrate that it is actually possible to have a sustainable recycling model in our part of the world.
In 2017, Kenya enacted one of the toughest plastic ban laws, criminalizing the use of low-grade plastic papers and imposing hefty fines on offenders. Unilever Kenya says it is working on a strategy to phase out plastic packaging in its systems by 2025.
We want to make sure by the year 2025 that whatever we put out in the market, that the plastics is number one, would be reusable. So our packaging has to be reusable. Number two, we want to make sure that either we eliminate plastic completely. And number three, we want to make sure that we have better plastic. So we are saying no plastic, less plastic, and finally, better plastic.
Unilever Kenya Managing Director Ochieng says the global push to eco-friendly alternatives has seen the company enhance the user-friendly packaging.
It would be things like getting aluminum bottles for products. For some of our products, for example, like toothbrush, we are using bamboo, which is natural. So looking for solutions like that. When I say less plastic, it means looking for solutions where we reduce the amount of plastic we use. So it will take the formats of either giving you products that are very highly concentrated so that when you go home, you dilute. Number two, it will mean using dispensers, for example. So you get to decant. For example, right now, if you go to Carrefour at Two Rivers, you'll find that sunlight is being dispensed. So you put the amount you want, whatever container you have, and you collect your sunlight that way.
This comes at a time when its parent company, Unilever Group, is facing a major backlash from an environmental group, Greenpeace International, which is accusing the consumer goods giant of being complacent in the war against plastic pollution. This comes at a time when its parent company, Unilever Group, is facing a major backlash from an environmental group, Greenpeace International, which is accusing the consumer goods giant of being complacent in the war against plastic pollution. In a report released last month dubbed Uncovered, Greenpeace International claims Unilever is selling 1,700 polluting plastic sachets per second. Trevor Ngendo for Easy Friday.